Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we'll be establishing contact outside this planet Earth. Guys, if you're thinking about aliens, let me just clear it out. We won't be contacting aliens. I don't think we are ready for another Jadoo here. Or are we? So guys, in today's video we'll be building functionality to contact rover on Mars with the help of Salesforce. Guys, India is the first Asian country who reached on Mars, and India is the first country in the world who reached on Mars on their first attempt. So guys, in today's video we'll be building a Mars Communication Uplink, and I will also try to build it in my first attempt. So guys, let's start our mission Mangal. Alright guys, so for today's demo you just need to log into your Trailhead account and search for this trail. It says build a Mars Communication Uplink. So guys, in today's video we'll be building up this trail, and it says it will take around 15 minutes, but I think we will be finishing it up less than 20 minutes. Okay guys, let's try it out. So guys, let's start with the first step. Okay, so we'll be creating a Trailhead playground and update chatter. Alright guys, so I have already launched my Trailhead playground here, so I'll be updating the rover chatter profile here. So it says in your new Trailhead playground, click on the profile picture, select your name, okay, then add it. Okay, then we'll be creating a new profile. Alright, let's click on the name first, then add it, then add follow details. Okay, so we will be changing the first name and last name. So the first name is Mars and last name is Rover. Okay, okay guys, so they are taking it too seriously. So the country here is Mars. Okay, alright, so in country we are having Mars. Okay, what else information we need here? I think that's it. Alright, then we want test for this. Okay, so guys, now they are asking us to update a profile photo also. So I mean, they're not going to check for it, they have mentioned it here, but it would be good if we could just upload this profile picture. So let me just save it. Let's try by opening it in a new tab. Alright, so our user is ready. The username is Mars Rover, sorry. Okay, what is wrong with this image? Okay, so let's save it in desktop. Alright, so guys, it is okay. I have clicked on multiple times. Let's change the profile picture also. Update photo. Okay, upload image. I will pick it up from desktop, and I think we saved it in desktop. Then why it's not? Okay, the image is not in our desktop right now. Let me just try to save. Okay, it was failed. Okay, let me just try to save it one more time. Alright, this time it is saved successfully. Let's upload the image from desktop. Here it is. Okay, the size is perfect. Let's save it. The trail seems very exciting to me, but I don't know what will be the final output for this. So let's try it out. Okay, now we will be creating a chatter group for updates. Click on app launcher, search for groups. The group name is Life on Mars. Okay, I think guys, by the end of this trail we will be definitely contacting the aliens now. Let's create a new group. Group name for access type will be public, and that's it. Okay, Life on Mars, access type is public. Okay, let's click on save and next. And they will not test for this but the next two steps, you can add a photo and members to the group. Okay, you can upload the JPG, upload group photo. So what should be our group photo? Let's keep the rover image here also. Let's click on next and create members for this group. All right, I'm having two members here, so I will add both of them here. I think it's done. Okay guys, so I think our first step is ready. Let's click to verify it. So this is our group's output. All right, and members, we will be having our two members. Okay, okay guys, so we have 100 points in our bucket. Let's tackle the next step. So next step is to create the data model. We will be creating object and fields in this step. So let's create a custom object first. Let's click on setup. All right guys, so it's open now. Let's click on object manager and create custom object. The object name is communication. Okay, plural label will be communications. All right, okay, select launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. Okay, leave the default for the naming fields and click save. Okay, so all right, open the standard Salesforce help and training window. Okay, all right, here's the checkbox, launch new custom tab wizard after saving. All right, let's click on save. So do we have a particular tab here for the object? Select communication, tab style, choose an image. Okay, click next, save. All right, the communication already selected, and I don't think we have something related to Mars here in the image. So let's select a laptop, or okay, or let's select the star icon. Yeah, that will be fine. Okay, all right, let's click on next. No, we don't have to change anything. Next, and save. Okay, all right guys, our object is ready. Now we'll be creating the custom fields. So we have a pick list here. Let's select the pick list. Here it is. Click on next. This is our field label. We'll be using custom values. Okay, I will try to copy all at once. All right, what else? Enter values. Okay, we have entered it. Field name, adjective, required, it's the required field. All right, leave everything else as is and click next, and save and new. Okay, all right, so the other field is also pick list. The pick list name is noun. Here it is. Okay, let me just copy the value. Alright guys, we are having a value alien in this pick list. Okay, alright, do we need to change select always required value in this field in order to save the record? Okay, so this is also required field. Alright, so we are having another pick list verb. Okay, here are the values, and this is also a required fields. Okay, let's click on next and save. Okay, do we need other fields also? Yes. Okay, let's click on save and new. Okay, now we are having another pick list. It says proper noun. Okay, let's save the values here. Is it required? Yes, it is required. All right. Now we have another pick list. The field label is number. Here's the pick list and the field label is number. Let's enter the values here. Values 1, 2, 3. Okay. And is it a required field? Yes, it is. Let's click on next and save and new. Oh my goodness, how many pick lists we are having here. So another pick list. Let's enter values, and it is also a required field. Here are the values. This is also required. Next, I think this was the last pick list. Yes. So guys, finally we are done with the fields. Okay, and I think this was all in this step. Let me just try to verify this step. So guys, in this step we have created a custom object and we have created some fields in that object, and all the fields are pick list right now. Okay, we are having 100 points in our bucket. Let's tackle the next step. Okay, so next step is automate the process. I think we'll be creating some process builder here. Yes, it is for process builder. Let's create a new process builder. Here it is. So there once was a robot named Rover, okay, who sent a bunch of messages over. Okay, our rover scout location of Mars for us, looking for the ideal spot for our Trailhead base camp. Okay, so guys, we will be creating a base camp on Mars. Let's create a simple way for the rover to tell us what it finds using an automated process. Alright, looks interesting. So let's create a new process. Process name is Mars. The process starts when a record change. Okay. Let's click on save. Okay, now we will add our object here. Our object name was communication, and it will trigger when a record is created or edited. Okay, when record is created or edited, click on save. Now we will add criteria. So criteria name is message from Mars 1. Okay, by Mars 1 guys, I think they mean the rover 1. So let's add the criteria name and condition are met. Okay, click the field, look up a number field, define the criteria as follow. Okay, so when condition are met, okay, the field will be number field. Equals to 1. Okay, leave everything as it is and click on save. Then click add criteria in the second row. Okay, So we are adding another criteria here. Okay, this was done. Now we are creating another criteria, message from Mars 2. Alright. And the condition will be same. Let's make it little quick. Number equals to 2. Okay, I think we will be it will ask us to create one more criteria. Okay, message from Mars 3. Alright, when number equals to 3, so that will be the condition here. Okay guys, so we have created all the criterias. Leave everything else as is. Okay, and click on save. Now we are ready to set up action. Okay guys, we'll be creating actions now. So first we'll be creating action for Mars 1, then 2, and then we'll be doing the same for 3. So add action is post to chatter. Okay, let's add action. Action type will be post to chatter. So this is my action name, message 1, and post to, it is posting the chatter to our group, life on Mars. Okay, chatter group, find group, here it is. Okay, we are having message also here. Let's copy the message. Okay, so it is a complete layout of message. Here it's your friendly rover real estate agent here. Okay, I'm doing some serious, then it will get the value from the database. We'll see the output later. Okay, let's click on save. Now we'll create the action for Mars 2 and Mars 3. Message 2, here it is. Post to chatter. Message 2, okay, chatter group. Life on Mars. And what is the message? Here it is. Okay, let's click on save again. Message 2 is also ready. Now we will add message 3. Here it is. The action will be post to chatter. Action name message 3. Post to group. What is the message? Here it is. Okay, let's copy and save. Okay, now it's time to activate your process. Click activate and confirm. Okay. Okay guys, so our process is activated. Now this was the third step. Let me just verify it. So in this process, in this trail, we have created a process to send message on the chatter group itself. All right. Okay, now let's tackle the next step. The next step is get ready for life on Mars. Okay, I think in this step we'll be finding some aliens. Alright, so you must create at least one new communication record in order to complete this step. Okay, so we'll be creating the communication records now. Let's click on app launcher. Here are our communications. So I think we will be entering the records on behalf of Rovers. Let's try it once. Click new, give record any name. Okay, let me just click on new. All right. Give the record a name and fill out all the fields with values you choose. Click save and new. Create few more records. Okay, so we will be creating few records, but it is not opening the new window. Let me just refresh it once. Okay, now let's try it once again. So we have clicked on new button. Let's wait for the pop-up. Okay, it is open now. Communication name. So what should be the communication name? Okay, let's make it I found land for base camp. Okay, adjective, let's make it dry. Let's select banana. Verb, two-stepping. Okay, so it is from rover 1. Alright, so by creating this record I have triggered my process builder, and now the process will chatter me on my group. Okay guys, let's create few more records. I found alien. Alright, let's make it freezing. Noun alien. Let's select anything here. Number 2, direction in north. Alright, the record 2 is also selected. Let's create one more for rover 3. Let's say I found water, or let's make it I want to go home. Okay guys, let's select anything. Okay, all right, so we are having few records here. All right, let's check this step also. I think this was our last step. So we have sent some communication from Mars to our Salesforce system on behalf of rovers. Let me just verify this step first. Alright guys, so we are having a new batch in our profile. So as per this trail, the rovers will be sending the communication from the Mars, and we will be getting the communication in our chatter group. So in this trail, I mean we were doing everything on behalf of rovers. Now let's check on the groups once, like if we get the communication. Alright, so we are having two communication here. I found alien and I found land for base camp. Let me just check like why we did not. Okay, here's our group. Let me just open it once. Okay, so the group is open now. Let's see chatter. Alright guys, so this is the text for our communication. Alright, so guys, that's it for today, and I hope you learned something new. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below. It really motivates me to create more content for you guys. Also share it with your friends and let me know if you have any query in the comment section below guys. I will try to revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one guys. Till then, bye, Jai Hind, peace.